Hey guys, it's Jack here, and today I have a video of this 1986 Fasco Charleston in antique brass. So let's go ahead and start it out on low speed. Now Fascos from the factory have a really nice aesthetic low, as seen here, and they move a ton of air. There's low, let's take it up to medium. Nice medium speed, as you've seen here. So let's go and turn it up to high. And here's high. It wobbles a little bit, but that's fixable. It used to wobble way worse, but I balanced it out mostly. Turn on the light. Thank you for watching.